Hi, hello there. My name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are trying out the Colourpop Thats Taupe collection. This is their sort of gray, brown, cool toned collection that is themed around snakeskin. I did not purchase everything from the collection, however, I purchased almost everything. There were two lip glosses they came out with that I did not get, and I did not get one of the highlighters and the Soul Body Shimmery Oil. However, I did get the two lippy pencils that they released in the shades Cool BFF and Ashton, and I'll go ahead and swatch them here for you. And these lippy pencils retail for $6 each. I did also pick up the Snake Eyes Super Shock Eyeshadow Bundle. These are in the shade Rits and Koosh, and I'll go ahead and swatch them for you. Mine did come busted the house, but that's okay. Here we have Rits, and here we have Koosh. And I must say, these Super Shock shadows are probably now some of my top tier eyeshadows single eyeshadows that I own. These are so beautiful, so sparkly, so shimmery, and I love them. Obviously, I have them on my eyes right now. And the Snake Eyes bundle retails for $10, so you're getting both of these together for $10. The Koosh one is definitely basically a shimmery silver color, while Ritz is a very sparkly but also has some cool tone brown to it, and they are absolutely amazing. I love these shades so much. Next up, I picked up the Seismic Super Shock Cheek Highlighter. It is this absolutely beautiful sort of cool toned silver color. It's very, very sparkly, very, very pigmented, and absolutely beautiful. And this is what the highlighter looks like swatched. Very, very creamy, very, very pigmented, just like all of other Colourpop's highlighters. And last but certainly not least, this is the Thats Taupe eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love the packaging on it. I love that it has this taupey snakeskin sort of feel to it. It's textured so the snakeskin kind of like pops out. And it also has a metallic foil to it. When you open it up, you have the 9 shades in here. You get 5 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. This palette does not contain a mirror, so at the top you just have Colourpop with the foiled snakeskin background. This is a magnetic closure. It's cardboard, so it's not like their other plastic palettes. And this palette retails for $14. And before we get into this look, I will go ahead and swatch all these shades from the palette here for you. And here are all 9 of these shades from the palette swatched. Alright, so I had absolutely no issue swatching any single one of the shades in here. The shimmers felt like butter, so smooth, so pigmented, beautiful. Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this look, and be sure and subscribe to my channel and like this video before you leave. Alrighty, so I did already go ahead and do a full face of makeup just so we can get right into this palette. The first shade I'm going to take is the shade Boa on a Morphe M535 brush. I'm just going to place this all in my crease and use it as the transition shade. Alright, so that color almost looks like a light purple gray instead of like a cool tone brown. Really weird. I don't know how that happened, but okay. I'm not really mad at it. It's just kind of odd. Now I'm going to take the shade Python on this Luna Magic little fluffy tapered brush, and I'll put this in the crease just right below where I put the Boa shade. Alright, so I really like the way this is looking so far. It's definitely more on the gray side than it is on the brown side. However, it does look really cute. Now I'm going to take the shade Rock Steady. This looks just like a straight up gray color on a Morphe M456 brush, and I'm just going to put this right on the outer corner. Now I'm dipping a bit into the shade Bedrock on a Morphe M152 brush and placing this just right on the very, very outer corner. Now I'm going back in with my Luna Magic brush and just lightly blending it out. Alright, now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Python on a Morphe M506 brush and just place it all along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Bedrock just on this Morphe M508 brush and stamp it all along the lower lash line. This looks really, really good. I am very happy thus far. Alright, now for the eyelids. I did get the Snake Eye Super Shock Shadows duo that they came out with, but there's also these really pretty shimmery colors in the palette. My Super Shocks did come, busted the house, so I have to contact customer service. These are all so beautiful. I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to take a bit of the shade Snake Eyes just on this Lauralee Los Angeles L17 brush and place it towards the outer portion of my lid. Now I'm going to take this Super Shock Shadow in the shade Rits just on the same L17 brush and put it over the top.
Oh wow.
That is pretty. Whoa. That is so pretty. Ooh, now I'm going to take the shade Salated just on this little Wet n Wild concealer brush and put this shade towards the inner portion of my lid. You know what? I'm going to use my finger. Yeah, the finger will work better. Oh, wow. Now I'm going to take the Super Shock Shadow in the shade Koosh just with my finger and place it towards the inner portion of my lid as well. Just a little bit on top of Slated, I guess. Oh my god.
Whoa.
That is beautiful. It's like this pure silver color. I think this may be my new favorite eyeshadow, like, of all time. This is stunning. Alright, so this is pretty much it for the eyeshadows. I'm going to go ahead and do eyeliner and eyelashes off camera, come back, and we'll get into the lips and the highlighter. Alright, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner and eyelashes off camera. I look like I should be on Rock of Love or something. Does anybody else remember that show?
No, I don't! Boyfriend! No, I don't!
I mean, with the freaking headband and the cool tone eyeshadow, I should be on Rock of Love.
And have someone reject you.
Call me Daisy.
Your slutty ass actions ruined your life.
I don't know. I'm just getting early 2000s Bret Michaels vibes. I don't know. Let's go ahead and move on. Next up, I picked up the Super Shock Cheek Highlighter in Seismic. Seismic? How do I say this?
Seismic.
Seismic. What does this even mean?
Adjective, relating to earthquakes or other vibrations of the earth and its crust.
Crusty.
This highlighter is absolutely beautiful though, and I'm so excited to try it out. And I'm just taking a Lauralee Los Angeles L15 highlighting brush and going right in here. They did release another highlighter, however, I only got this one.
Oh wow.
Okay, so this is definitely a very glittery highlighter, however, I really like it. Now I'm just going to take some on a L16 brush and place it on my inner corners. And on my brow bone. Oh, cute. Okay, now I bought two lip liners. I got Cool BFF and I got Ashton. Let's see, I haven't swatched them yet, so this is Cool BFF and Ashton. I think I'm gonna use Cool BFF today. Alright, so that is definitely a cool tone brown color. For lips, I'm just going to use my Lauralee Los Angeles liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nakey Nakey. I think this will look really good with this liner. I'm just going to put a little bit of this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream over the very center. Should we do a gloss? Colourpop did release glosses with this, however, I did not pick any up because I have enough
lip glosses.
So I'm just going to use this Colourpop lip gloss, Always Sunny. This was from their Sunflower collection. I'll place this right on the center. Alright, and here we are. This is the final look. I really like the way everything came together. I really enjoyed using this palette. I enjoyed the highlighters. I enjoyed the Super Shock shadows. The lip pencils, very, very good. Just like all their other lippy pencils. And yeah, I really like this palette. I like the packaging of it. I really like the theme that they went with. I think they did a very good job sticking with the theme of everything. The cool tone brown gray sort of vibes. And I'm very happy with this collection. Alright you guys, well that is it for today's video. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I have on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye!